Hello students, welcome again to your social studies class. From the previous 3 sessions, we have understood about the early societies, the early man, the story about the development and growth of human beings, the Stone Age, that is the Paleolithic Age, the Mesolithic Age and the Neolithic Age. Today, let's quickly understand about the prehistoric age residing in India, the different sites present in India. The material remains of the early man have been found in many parts of India. The flint tools of the Paleolithic Age are found in Son Valley, which is in Punjab and present-day Pakistan, Balan Valley, which is a part of Uttar Pradesh, Bori, which is in Maharashtra, Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh, and most importantly, Bhimbetka, which is in Madhya Pradesh. Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh is famous for its ancient rock paintings depicting the lifestyle of man from all the Stone Ages. In the later Paleolithic Age, the core tools are found in major parts of Son Valley, near Narmada, and major parts of Tamil Nadu. The microliths of the Mesolithic Age are found in major parts of Adamgarh in Madhya Pradesh and Bagaur in Rajasthan. Large number of stone tools have been discovered from Neolithic sites at Mehergarh in Pakistan, Burzahom in Jammu and Kashmir, Sarutaru in Assam, Kuchai in Odisha, Brahmagiri in Karnataka. So students, as we have completed our second chapter of history, that is the early societies, let's quickly discuss the objective questions which are on page 14. So the first question, A, tick the correct option. Number 1, the prehistoric age is also called the option number A, the Stone Age. The B and C are the part of Stone Age. Okay. The second is Mesolithic tools have been found in major parts of Adamgarh, which is present in Madhya Pradesh. The third, early man wandered from place to place in search of the early man. We are talking about the early man. So he was going from place to place mainly in search of food. In which period did man learn to tame animals? So as we have studied, the Mesolithic age or the Middle Stone Age, we have seen that the early man started to tame animals. The second question is match the following. So the first is Paleolithic age. So we can match Paleolithic age with the following options given here. So the Paleolithic age, we can find the best is the Old Stone Age. Okay. So Paleolithic age is also known as the Old Stone Age. So we can write here number 1. The second is the flint tools. Now the flint tools are majorly found in parts of Son River Valley. So we can put here number 2. Third is Bhimbetka. Bhimbetka is a part of Madhya Pradesh, and in Bhimbetka we have found that many cave paintings are present. So Bhimbetka is famous for its cave paintings. So we put there number 3. Fourth is Bagaur. Bagaur is a part of Rajasthan. Bagaur is present in Rajasthan. So number 4. And last is Neolithic age. Now what is Neolithic age? The last option here is discovery of agriculture. So yes, we find that in the Neolithic age, the agriculture was discovered. So let's discuss question number C, that is, state whether the following statements are true or false. So first, the Paleolithic people lived in large groups. So this statement is false, as the Paleolithic people lived in small groups. They made very small groups and they traveled from one place to another in small groups only. The second, discovery of fire took place during the Paleolithic age. Yes, this is a very true statement. That is, the early man discovered fire. Third, the Mesolithic age means modern Stone Age. This statement is false, as Mesolithic age means Middle Stone Age. Number 4, Paleolithic tools in Chennai were discovered in 1863. This statement tends to be true. It's there in your case study. And last, the people of Neolithic age started to live a settled life. Yes, this is very true. The Neolithic age people started to live a more settled life. Question number D, that is, name the following questions. Number 1, these tools were made from large pieces of rock. That is, the core tools. Okay, the core tools were the tools which were made from large pieces of rock. Second, this period is also known as Old Stone Age. So what is the other name of Old Stone Age? That is Paleolithic age. Paleolithic age is also known as the Old Stone Age. Number 3, these tools were made of bones, horns and stones. So which are these tools? Where are these tools found? It is found in, again, the Paleolithic age. We found that the tools were made of bones, horns and stones. Fourth, these tools were flexible and lighter than the Paleolithic tools. So the tools which are found in Neolithic age, were more flexible and lighter than the Paleolithic tools. So students, the rest of the questions I'll be sending you in the PDF format, in which the entire question bank will be there of chapter number 2, history. So that's all for the day, students. Have a nice weekend.